Hey friends, welcome back to Small Batch Bites, where I take recipes and cut them down into quick, easy, smaller portions. Today I'm making Reese's protein donut holes. They're inspired by Keto Snackz. Now I cut this recipe in half and it made it perfect for 4 little donut holes, just enough for a quick snack or to share with someone you love. Now for this recipe, you'll only need a handful of simple ingredients. I used a 1/4 cup of peanut butter powder, a 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of powdered sweetener, and I used brown sugar sweetener, and just a splash or 2 of vanilla. Now that's it, no flour, no junk, just some clean ingredients. And I also added a tablespoon of Lily's chocolate chips. Now that is optional, but it does make it delicious if you want to do that as well. So go ahead and mix everything together in a bowl until it's nice and smooth. Now the texture should be thick, but it's still going to be easy enough to roll. So Keto Snackz says next to spray them with oil before you place them in the air fryer. I did not do that with mine. I really don't know if spraying the donut holes with oil will be a game changer or not, but I just didn't find that it would be necessary for me. So the recipe next calls for baking them at 360 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. Just keep an eye on them closely because they do cook quickly, and you want them golden brown on the outside but still soft on the inside. So also you may want to flip them over halfway in between just to make sure that they are golden brown on both sides. And there you have it, you guys, Reese's protein donut holes. They taste like a sweet treat, but they have the bonus of extra protein. So they are perfect for breakfast, dessert, or even a post-workout bite. So this recipe does come from Keto Snackz. Go check out his channel for more ideas. If you liked this small batch version, hit the subscribe button and save this video to your playlist. So thanks for stopping by, you guys, and watching Small Batch Bites, and I'll see you again in the next recipe.